Ever dreamed of wielding the power of modern investing, even if you're leagues away from Uncle Sam's shores? So, you're outside the US and Robinhood has caught your eye, but their platform says not available in your region. Don't despair, but do proceed with caution. Today, we're diving into how you might navigate this, primarily focusing on workarounds and the crucial considerations you absolutely need to know before you even think about investing. The most common approach involves using a virtual private network, or VPN. Think of a VPN as a digital tunnel that masks your real location and makes it appear as though you're browsing from the US. You'll need to subscribe to a reputable VPN service that offers servers in the United States. Once your VPN is connected to a US server, you can then attempt to access the Robinhood website or app. You'll install the VPN software on your device and select a US server location after connecting. Clear your browser's cookies and cache, then navigate to Robinhood's website. This might allow you to create an account or log in if you already have one. However, remember that Robinhood has strict identity verification processes. You'll likely need to provide a US address and potentially a US phone number, even with a VPN, which can be a significant hurdle. Now, let's talk risks and legality. Using a VPN to circumvent georestrictions can violate Robinhood's terms of service if discovered. Your account could be suspended or closed, and you could lose access to your funds. Furthermore, the financial regulations in your country may differ greatly, and investing through a platform not licensed in your jurisdiction could have unintended legal and tax consequences. It's crucial to understand that Robinhood's services are designed for US persons, and US residents attempting to use it from abroad without meeting those requirements carries significant risks, including potential legal entanglements and financial penalties. Always prioritize understanding the financial regulations in your specific country before proceeding with any investment strategy. While workarounds exist, it's often safer and more legally sound to explore brokerage options that are officially available and regulated in your country. Do your research on international brokers that cater to your region. They'll offer a more compliant and secure path to global investing.